How to get $100 Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box, type in Uber Eats coupon code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Coupon Follow, as this is the legit website. Once you're on the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber Eats. Just scroll down and check out the offers: $15 off, $20 off, $25 off, and many more. Hit towards the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. So this is the code, copy it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on redeem at Uber Eats. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now you can log into your account, browse through the menu, select the items that you want to order, and pause it to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount on your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. The process is exact same. Also, what you can do is head back. You can also check out other website. This one website, Simply Codes, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find working coupon code for Uber Eats. So this is how you can easily get up to $100 Uber Eats coupon code. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.